All right, so here's the new taillights that we're going to install today on the '66 Corvette. You can see that they've got this pretty cool concave shape in them, which is a lot different from stock, which is pretty just flat across the face of them. I think it gives it more of a modern look. Kind of keeps it more up to date with the newer Corvettes, but and definitely the LED is going to make it a lot brighter. And definitely has that that eagle eye look without the tiny little LEDs that go around. So it should look pretty cool. We'll find out once we get them installed. All right, we're all set for installation. All you're going to need is a T15 Torx bit on the end of your drive or ratchet, whatever you prefer. And you're just going to unscrew these bits right up here, and it's going to pop out, and it's just plug and play.
They are lit up at nighttime. I think they look pretty solid. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this installation video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you saw. Have a good day, guys.